So, sir, every app should have an age limit.
Do you also use chat GPT?
Sir, I use that, but not all the time. I use that to understand some word or use that for some word meaning.
Okay, it's good, but
But
you know,
I never use it for homework because if I do my homework with Chat GPT, next day
mm,
I will say, Sir, I have done. And what happened if Sir said, now tell me the answer of this question? But I do that
yeah,
work from the Chat GPT. That also happen in the exam. If that question come in exam, what will I do? So that's why I never do homework with Chat GPT. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Welcome to the session. How are you?
hello, good afternoon. I am fine. I am fine. Thank you for asking me. What about you?
I am also fine. As we are connecting for the first time, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, yes, I delighted to introduce myself. So, my name is Balwant Singh Kushwaha. I am from Gazipur district in Uttar Pradesh, but currently I live in Varanasi, Sarnath. If I'm talking about my qualifications, so I completed my B.Ed in 2024. Now I am an aspiring learner of English communication skill. If I'm talking about my hobbies, so I love dancing and being creative. So that's all about me.
So, okay, sir. Now it's my turn. My name is Himank. I am a student. I study in 7th class. I am 11-year old. If you talk about my hobbies are to do skating at art and craft in my free time. And currently now I am living in Delhi. That's all about me, sir.
Okay, okay. So you are learning this language.
Yes, sir. Now I am practicing with you.
Okay, okay. So when did you start your journey?
Sir, I started my journey, I think, in February. This year in February.
Okay. So what kind of practice do you start following in beginning days?
I started practicing with my mother, talking in English with my mother, reading English book, watching English cartoon. That's all.
Okay. So do you feel nervousness in front of camera?
No,
Okay. Because most of the child have a and most of the person have a camera issues. They are not able to face the camera.
sir, I don't feel shy and scared while speaking.
Okay, okay. I think this is the very good thing being a child, being a kid, because there is no fear and there is always a desire to learn something, to do something. Yes. So nowadays, in daily basis, what kind of practice do you do to improve your this language?
Sir, I told you before that I practice with my mother, or sometime I talk with my friends in English in a school.
Okay, okay, okay. Do you know there are four pillars of English language?
No, sir.
Okay. Uh, so here is four
Sir,
pillars.
can you
First is
tell me?
listen. Yes, yes, yes. So the first thing is listening. Second thing is speaking. Third is reading, and the fourth is writing.
Okay, sir.
With the help of four pillars, you can learn any language.
Thank you, sir.
S- And I think nowadays you are focusing only, I think, three things: listening, speaking, and reading. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm
Okay.
also little bit doing writing, but mostly I am doing speaking.
Okay. And I can see that you also enjoy while speaking to other co-learner.
Yes, sir. So, sir,
Okay.
can you tell me one? Uh, so, sir, can I ask one question?
Yes, yes, sure.
So, sir, do you think homework is important for student? If yes, why?
Uh, Homework is important because it gives you the discipline, you know, in life and in being a student, it's very, very important to make a discipline. If you don't have any homework, any work related to study, I think there is no more motivation to study. You know,
So,
so
yes,
first,
sir.
uh, if you have any homework, so you just sit down and start doing your homework. And in this process, you learn that how to make a discipline. Do you know what is the meaning of discipline?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something?
Sir, I can't explain it fully, but I can try because I don't
Okay,
know many things in English because nowadays I am practicing and I don't know most of the thing in English. So, sir,
okay,
discipline
okay,
is a thing that, sir, you know that I am discipline monitor in my class.
okay.
So, sir,
Nice,
discipline
nice.
mean if anyone, so my in school, I have to do a work. If anyone create indiscipline mean like if anyone starts shouting or anyone start fighting, so I have to stop that and say why are and ask the reason, then tell to the ma'am. That's my work, and I think the meaning of discipline is to be quietly and doing your work properly and being loyal.
Yes, yes. Yeah, if I say in one word, so uh, if you have a discipline, so there is no excuse. You know, nowadays, if you start something doing in your life, and if you something is very, very important for your career, that time we feel distracted. And you can see nowadays in social media, there are so many distractions.
Yes, sir.
So in this world, if you are not disciplined, if you're not focused about your goal, about your ambition, it is very, very difficult to achieve something. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, is sports are important for students?
Yes, yes, yes. I think in today's world, sports is very, very important because after pandemic, you can see mobile gaming is booming, and most of the kids, just use phone and uh, you know uh, play with only with phones. I think this is not a good thing for a kid. And now. I am learning this language, and most of the time I just spend in my room. So I just, miss this type of activity related to my uh, physique. Okay, so
So,
it's sports is very, very important. You have to just play, every single day.
yes, sir. It also gain our physical health and also gain
Yes,
our mind.
yes, yes, yes.
So, sir,
And
as you
in
yes, continue,
yes,
sir.
yes.
Sir, continue it.
So, in education, it's very, very important that uh, you are physically fit and mentally prepared.
Okay, sir. Sir, as you say that mobile phone is bad for children, is mobile phone is really bad for children or for all of the work, or in some work mobile phone is good? So can you tell me how?
It depends. uh, the kid how he is using the mobile phone. In technology era, if kids know how to use the phone, it's very good. But if you totally depend on mobile phone, I think it's bad thing. And do you know Chat GPT?
Yes, sir.
Do you also use Chat GPT?
Sir, I use that, but not all the time. I use that to understand some word, or use that for some word meaning.
Okay, it's good. But
But I never use it for homework because if I do my homework with Chat GPT, next day
mm,
I will say, Sir, I have done. And what happened if Sir said, now tell me the answer of this question? But I do that
yes,
work from the Chat GPT. That also happen in the exam. If that question come in exam, what will I do? So that's why I never do homework with Chat GPT.
yes, yes, yes. And I also work with ChatGPT, and I can see that in ChatGPT there are so many loop, and you can not totally trust on ChatGPT. And if
Yes,
you
sir.
observe ChatGPT app, so in below there is a sentence is written that is ChatGPT can make mistake.
So, sir, every app should have an age limit.
App
Yes, sir, like social media, YouTube, or Chat GPT even have an age limit.
age limit to expire something.
No, like we can verify our age after that if YouTube. So if we are below than 18, so we can only can watch related to education thing, and not very big thing for elder person. But if we are 18 plus, so and we are verified, so we can see all of the thing, and this related to Chat GPT also. So
Yeah,
I
I think
think
it's a
yes,
very
social media and all the apps should have age limit.
yes,
Because
yes,
if
yes, yes. I
nowadays some of the childrens are very bad, and cause of the social media, because uh, they all the time watch social media. And sometimes some bad reels also come on social media. That's why social media or any app should launch the age limit. So from
yes,
that,
yes,
these type of things will not come.
yes. I think it's a very good point, and it's very good initiative that if any industry is taken now. Yes,
So sir, you have any question?
I am I am shocked that you are learning this language because you are so young and can you tell me from where you get inspired to learn this language?
My mother inspired me to learn this language.
Okay. Do you feel sometimes boring?
No, I don't feel boring. Yeah, but
Okay.
sometime when if you, can I tell you one thing, sir? If
Yes,
you,
yes.
yeah, okay. So you know that sometime I have to take at least six session in a day. At that time, I get bored. That's not all the time.
Okay.
Sometime, like at
Okay.
before this week, I am the at my nanny's house at that for 1 week. At that time, I took 1 day 6 sessions. At that time,
Okay.
I
So
become very bored. But some when I take 2 or 3 sessions in a day, I feel joy.
yes, because I think six session in one day it's too much, you
Yes,
know.
sir.
A- And if you take only one or two session, it's very good for you because in two sessions you feel okay and fresh.
Yes, sir, you are right.
And I know speaking is very important, but too much speaking, it's I think in conversation it's difficult because you are in a learning process. If
Yes,
you
sir.
speak for 1 hour, 2 hour, so you have to just give 2, 3 hours to listen to learn something new word and try to watch something English podcast.
Yes,
You know?
sir, you are
Yes.
right. So, sir, I have finished my all of the question. You left any question, so you can tell me.
Okay.
If no, we can end this session.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
So,
yes.
do you feel hungry?
Now,
Yes.
little bit.
I can see in your face. It's
No,
good.
no. I am not feeling very hungry, but after the session, I will eat. I think little bit. Uh, I have taken my lunch, but I don't know why I'm feeling hungry now. I'm feeling hungry
Okay.
little bit.
Okay. So, do you like fast food or healthy food?
I like healthy food, but
Okay.
sometimes I also eat junk food.
Junk food. Okay. So do you like also pizza, burger like that?
I like, but I eat them once in a month.
Okay. And yeah. So
Sir, you have completed your all of the question. So
yes, yes.
can we end the session?
Okay.
Okay, sir, it was a nice session with you. We will reconnect again very soon. Bye. Have a great day ahead.
Same to you. Thank you for this session. Have a nice day.
Welcome, sir.